Today, I'm going to teach you how to leave a rating on Amazon using desktop mode. Whether you've just received a product you love or want to share feedback about your purchase, leaving a rating helps other shoppers make informed decisions and let sellers know how they're doing. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account by entering your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need access to your order history to leave a rating. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Orders. This will take you directly to your order history where you can see all your past purchases. Now, I don't have any orders in my account right now, but I'll walk you through what happens next so you know exactly what to do. Once you're on the order history page, scroll through your list to find the item you want to rate. This could be anything you've purchased recently or even something from a while back that you want to review. When you locate the product, you'll notice a button next to it that says Write a Product Review or Leave a Review. Go ahead and click on that button. This action will take you to the review page where you can share your thoughts and rate the product. On the review page, the first thing you'll see is a star rating system. Click on the number of stars that best represents your experience with the product. You can choose anywhere from 1 star for a poor experience to 5 stars for an excellent one. Your star rating is the core of your review, so choose thoughtfully. Below the star rating, you might see a field labeled Headline. This is where you can type a short, catchy title for your review. Think of it as a summary of your overall opinion that will grab other shoppers' attention. Next, you'll find a larger text box where you can type your detailed comments. This is your opportunity to explain your rating, share what you liked or didn't like about the product, and provide any helpful information for future buyers. Be as specific as you can to make your review useful. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary fields and you're happy with your review, look for the Submit button. Click it to post your rating and review. Your feedback will now be visible to other Amazon shoppers and will help them make better purchasing decisions. And there you have it. You've successfully left a rating on Amazon using desktop mode. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.